This video is all about iPhone parts pairing for iPhones below 12 series, where there's no option for repair assistant. This video is just for people like me who were unable to find anything like this on web. Hope it will help more people. So here it is an iPhone XS Max, whose iOS version is 18.0.1. And we are about to check what happens when we try to swap the front camera. Let's first check the original front camera. It's working perfect. This is the original one, swapped by another one, to check if it works or not. Press and hold the side button to boot. Thinking face, thinking face, thinking face, thinking face. Tears of joy missed to connect the battery. Here we go. Back camera, working. Front camera, frozen. Swap, still frozen. Try again. Nothing working, all black. Swap, 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 swap. Front camera, still not working. Let's try it in Snapchat. Rear one, okay. Front camera, not okay. Let's now try to update the device. Update now. .1 minutes. OK. Preparing update. OK. Also let's check it in 3U tools. The available front camera value is zeros. Install the update. Check again the values in 3U tools. Hooray! It's changed. Now check if front camera working or not. Rear OK. Front also OK.